Good afternoon to everyone. I am Shivendran from Final Year Triple E. In this presentation, I would like to share my content. The content is Van de Graaff generator. Before going to this title, I want to explain about high voltage engineering. I am not included as a slide of about high voltage engineering, but explain what is high voltage engineering. So high voltage engineering means it is testing or operating high voltage electrical devices. It is known as high voltage engineering. So next we go to introduction of Van de Graaff generator. In the year 1929, Robert Van de Graaff designed a machine. He only designed a machine in 1929. He is an American scientist. Next we go to principle. What principle is based on this generator? It have two principles: electrostatic induction and action of point. Electrostatic induction means induction of an electric charge is a conductor due to of another charged body. Simply we can say a redistribution electric charge. It is known as electrostatic induction. Next we go to construction of Van de Graaff generator. It have more equipments. Some of the equipments are I mentioned here: the outer terminal, upper pulley, lower pulley, upper and lower brush. Outer terminal is made up of aluminum or steel like a sphere. The upper pulley is made up of a nylon. Lower pulley is made up of a nylon, but it covered with a silicon tape. The upper and lower brush is made up of metal wire. Next, this is a structure. It have one outer sphere and lower sphere. Outer sphere, when we give a positive charge to outer sphere, the charge are distributed. Next, the same positive charge give to inner sphere. So what happens means outer sphere carry electric field, but inner sphere is not. There is no electric field. The inner sphere or a pulley. This is two pulley. There are two pulley connected with a belt. What is the usage of belt? Means belt is used to measure electric charge from top of the insulating column. This is the structure. Next we go to working. We already know it is an electrostatic generator. Shortly we can say how to work. What is the purpose? It creates a high electric potential. It produces low current level at high voltage direct current. This is the working. Specification. These are the specification. What are the specification are included in this generator? So these are the specification. Input voltage, input power, discharge voltage, dome diameter, upper roller, lower roller, discharge ball diameter. So input voltage, first I will start input voltage. Input voltage means what voltage we give as a input. 110 volts, power 70 volts. Discharge voltage up to 2 lakh I think. Length 5 to 6, diameter 20 centimeter. Upper roller made up of nylon. Lower roller that means pulley. Lower roller ABS plastic. So advantages and disadvantages. First we can see advantages. It is used to study experiment in physics, collision experiment in physics. Next, treatment of cancer also, the beams are used. So next, disadvantages. Disadvantage means drawbacks. What is the drawbacks? Output of current is very low. You can't save the amount of charge. It's the drawbacks. Next, application. Many applications are there, but I mentioned the main three application. For classroom purpose, laboratory purpose, for accelerator, we can use this generator. Okay, that's enough. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you once again. Take care.